In today's video, I will walk you through how to remove devices from Claude AI account. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Claude AI. In the search results, click the official site. Before signing in, check the address bar to make sure you're on the correct domain. On the home page, choose how you want to log in. You can continue with Google or sign in using the email address connected to your Claude account. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete authentication. If your browser asks whether you want to remember the session, choose the option that's appropriate for you, especially if you're using a shared device. Once you're signed in, look at the bottom left corner of the sidebar. You should see your user profile, displayed as either your initials or an avatar. Click your profile to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will open the Settings panel, where you can manage your account preferences. Next, click the Account section. This is where you'll find the options related to your account, including Profile, Security, and Sessions. Scroll through the Account section until you find the Logout area. This section manages the devices and sessions where your account is currently signed in. Look for the button labeled Log Out of All Devices. Depending on the interface, it may use similar wording, such as Sign Out of All Sessions. Click the button to continue. When a confirmation prompt appears, confirm that you want to proceed. After you confirm, your active sessions across phones, tablets, and computers will be ended. Depending on your setup, you may also be signed out of the browser you're currently using. If you're signed out of your current browser, you'll need to sign in again on the device you trust. Once the logout is complete, devices that were previously connected to your account will need to authenticate again before they can access it. If you don't immediately see the option to log out of all devices, check that you're in the Account tab inside Settings. Then, refresh the page and check the section again. The interface labels may vary slightly over time, but the path remains straightforward. Start with your Profile menu, select Settings, open Account, and then find the Logout section. Once you've confirmed the logout, the previously active sessions will be ended. Any device that needs access to the account will have to authenticate again. If you were signed out of the device you're currently using, simply sign back in when you're ready, using the device you trust. And that's it. You've removed the active device sessions from your Claude AI account. You can now sign back in only on the devices you want to use. Thank you for watching.